everybody. I'm here today to show you how to make what I hope is going to be just a really quick and easy tall library style pocket with a twist. So stay tuned. I am a guest designer for Pink Monarch Prints. My name is Pam with Silver and Sparkles. If you enjoy this video, please go check out my channel as well if that interests you. All right, let's jump right in. So today I am using papers from the June subscription kit for Pink Monarch Prints, and you can get this on their website or their Etsy shop. And it'll be linked for you below in the description. I am also going to use a few of the circles that they have a kit for and some vintage labels. So again, if that interests you, go check it out. But you can use any paper you like. So this is one of the pages in the kits that's like for a, I guess for journal pages, right? You fold it in half and it could be pages in a journal. But we're going to use it for something a little bit different today. And if you want to use your own paper, just if you want to make it the size I'm making it, mine is 9.5 by 6 3/4. Okay. So the first thing you do is just fold it in half, which leaves you with 4 3/4. Okay. Now I want my pocket to be 3.5 inches wide. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay the paper in, and I'm going to score at 1 1/4 inches. All right. And then I'm going to turn it and score at 1 1/4 inches. All right. And that's all the scoring we have to do. Again, quick and easy. So go ahead and fold those over. Make sure they're nice and neat. Like that. And now when we fold it in half, we should have, yep, 3.5 inches wide. Okay. So that was pretty easy. And all we're going to do now is glue all of this down. Okay. So I'm going to do that really fast for you. I'm just using art glitter glue, wet white glue. And I'm going to first fold these down. Okay, now when we glue this together, it's important that you leave the side open. So we are going to glue across the top here and across the bottom. All right. And if you want, it's not necessary, but you could put a bead of glue down the middle. Okay. So now this edge we have here is really nice because it's reinforced, you know, because it's been folded over. And it looks great. All right, now we're going to make a pocket. So I've already cut the piece that I want to make my pocket out of. And it is 4.5 by 2.5 inches. And again, you can make yours any size you want. And the way I'm going to do this one is we're going to lay it on our card. And, you know, I like having about the same amount on both sides, but then I also really like this flower here. So mine, I'm probably going to fold a little cattywampus. And again, I'm okay with that because I plan to most likely mount mine in a journal. So you're not going to see the back, but if you are going to see the back and you decide to do what I did and have it not be even, you could trim this one off, or you can decorate the back a little more too. But to make this quick and easy, all I did was fold it over so that I'm making a pocket on the front, and I'm going to glue both of these flaps down. All right. And voila, we now have a pocket here. And we have a pocket on the side. And this is what I was kind of saying. This is our library pocket with a twist. And I've already made this sweet card to go inside. You can put really any kind of journaling cards or ephemera you want to inside. This one was made with one of the cards. I just hand tore it and inked and layered it on some of the papers from the kit. And I really like how it turned out. Okay. Now I do want to decorate the pocket some. So in the kit, there's a sheet of these words, which I like. So I'm going to put that on the front. right there. And then I went ahead and prepped a few of the pieces. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. I wanted to see what it looked like first. But maybe something like this. And then I cut this little sweet lady out. So let's see. I don't know. Maybe like just a little mini collage there. I'm happy with that. So we'll glue that down. And then I went ahead and made a few little pieces from the pages in the kit to tuck in this pocket. And there's lots of videos that you can watch on the Pink Monarch YouTube channel, you know, that show you how to make different tags and layered tags and fun things. So if you need some inspiration, go take a look. I wanted this video to be kind of fast. I just cut out this little routing tag and put a little bow on it. And I love the hot air balloon. So cute. One of the faux postcards. And I used one of the little pieces to decorate. You know what, guys? I didn't glue the bottom of our pocket. Can you see what happened there? So I'm just going to put a bead of glue here. I forgot to glue the bottom of the pocket. All right. It happens. But everything is fixable, right? All right, so there's a few things. And, you know, even if you just want to cut out some of the pieces and stick them in, they would look really pretty. So you can add, this holds a lot. You can just keep on going if you want to. So a really fun and easy project that I hope you'll try with some paper you have on hand as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.